Go to File, Open, go into your USB drive, go into the Toolbox folder, go into the Crop Tool folder, and find and open the crop JPEG. This image is the image we're going to crop. To crop, we click the Crop tool, and you have the option of using no guides, which looks like this. I'll cancel by clicking outside. Or you can choose to have guides, for example, rule of thirds. And you see here that when you use rule of thirds, the box that's formed is divided into thirds horizontally and vertically. For example, if you decide to go with rule of fifths, the box is divided into 5 by 5. Now, once you've selected an area that you wish to crop, you can either press Enter on the keyboard, or you can click inside the selected area like this. Click, and everything outside the selection will disappear. If you're not happy with the results, go up to Edit and click Undo Crop Image, or you can press on the keyboard Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus Z is the keyboard shortcut for canceling any action that you have performed. It actually works on all different types of functions, not just crop.